Top 5 Benefits of Data Mining for Businesses. Data mining has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. By collecting and analyzing data, businesses can gain valuable insights into their customers, their operations, and the marketplace. Small businesses can benefit greatly from data mining. Data mining for small businesses. The data mining can be a game changer for small business owners who want to take their businesses to the next level. This technology allows organizations to gather information about their customers, employees, products, competitors, and even the world around them. By analyzing this data, companies can gain insight into how to best serve their customers, what makes people tick, and where there are opportunities to make improvements. Let's start with big data. Big data is a term that refers to analyzing large volumes of data to gain insights into human behavior. This includes everything from social media posts to online shopping patterns. Business intelligence is a tool that allows you to extract information from data, such as sales figures, customer satisfaction scores, inventory levels, and much more. Do small business startups utilize big data sets? Small businesses are increasingly tapping into big data to help them understand how customers behave and what they want. They use it to identify opportunities to innovate and grow their businesses. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we are now able to collect massive amounts of data about our customers and use it to improve customer experience. The need to understand the type of technology for your small business. Here are a few things to think about. Understand the difference between traditional IT solutions and modern ones. Identify the key components of a digital transformation strategy. Explain the pros and cons of each type of technology. Big data analytics allow companies to automate processes and gather insights into customer behavior. These are some benefits of big data analytics. Marketing automation tools help small businesses run day-to-day operations while keeping up with changing market conditions. Trends are another tool big data analytics offers to marketers. They allow companies to see where consumers are heading and provide a glimpse into the future. In addition, trending topics can help brands connect with potential customers and communicate relevant messages. Trending news is a great example of how big data analytics can inform marketing decisions. The benefits of data mining. Data mining is used to help organizations make better decisions. It can even help you decide what to do next. To understand how data mining works, let's take a look at some examples. Businesses often use data mining to find patterns in customer behavior. They use this information to predict future trends and choose the best course of action. Dictates trends. Big data analytics is an important part of any business strategy. But it can be difficult to translate raw data into actionable information. A big problem is that many companies use vanity metrics like follow counts and likes without understanding what those numbers mean. Small businesses should know the difference between vanity metrics and meaningful ones. Vanity metrics include things like followers, likes, retweets, and comments. They don't tell you anything about whether someone cares about your brand. Vanity metrics also don't usually have much value in terms of ROI, return on investment. If your goal was to drive traffic to your website, then most social media metrics would probably do the trick. The value of vanity metrics. There's nothing wrong with having a large following on Twitter. It certainly doesn't hurt to have lots of fans, and it can help build credibility when sharing content. However, the key is finding out where all that attention comes from. If you only focus on vanity metrics, you may not realize that your efforts are being wasted. Learn how to convert social media data into sales. Are you looking to convert social media data into sales? In today's digital age, more and more businesses are using social media to connect with their target audiences and generate leads. Boost your sales by up to 600%, improve the quality of your leads by up to 80%, grow your business by growing your brand recognition, get more leads from social media than the average marketer, boost your online reputation online and offline, become an authority on social media marketing, join thousands of marketers in the monthly Facebook group, convert social media data into sales, where you can ask specific questions and get specific answers. Convert social media data into sales is broken down into 3 parts. The secrets to successful social media data collection. How to use social media data for sales. Advanced marketing using social media data for lead generation. The secrets to successful social media data collection. Collecting data from social media marketing sites, being in the right place at the right time, on the right page, with the right content, using multiple data collection methods, listening and reading, reading and listening, 3 ways to slice, dice and analyze the data, understanding who, what and where the data is coming from, preparing for anything that may be thrown at you, researching and planning for all kinds of situations. There are 3 key points that you need to focus on when collecting this data. When collecting social media data, understand the social media platform you are using. Understand the type of content you will be publishing and the type of interactions with other users the content will generate. Once you have collected the data, you need to analyze it. Anticipate. Your first step is to predict what your audience expects from your page, what they are looking for, what information and products they are looking for on your page, where they are coming from, etc. This will help your audience to find you and provide you with useful feedback on what they are looking for. What do they expect? This is where you need to figure out what makes your page unique, and how you can offer that to your visitors. Dig into the numbers. What products are getting the most views? What are the most searched keywords in your niche? What are the most clicked categories? To do that, you need to understand the industry you are in and the social media platform you are using. Once you have this information recorded, you need to start analyzing and understanding the data. Are you blogging about a product that customers are looking for? Are you blogging about a product for the entire world? Are you blogging about it from a customer's perspective or a business's perspective? All of these are important questions to ask yourself before you publish content. Analyze. Once you have your data, analyze it to figure out the most successful content, where to publish that content, and when. You'll need to determine which of your posts are performing best, what content is the most popular, and what approach to take with newer customers. With each post that you publish, you will want to start finding what content performs successfully, while also looking at what type of audience you're reaching with your content. Measure. I use the analytics from Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to see how many times people are viewing content, what sites they're visiting, and when. Once you know what content is performing well, add it to your schedule and make that content a priority to get published. A fantastic way to do this is to identify what content you want to build a relationship with and then build that content into your blog that way. Should you use analytics for your blog? The answer is a resounding yes. You can use analytics on your blog to help you create great content. You can use analytics to find out what content is working and perfect your blog so that everyone is getting great content. Marketing campaigns. Focus on different segments of the market based on their needs and desires. This way you can reach out to each group effectively and tailor your messaging accordingly. Data mining helps marketers decide what type of person they are targeting. They use data such as demographics, psychographics, behavioral patterns, interests, location, and buying history to figure out how best to communicate with consumers. Customer patterns. Data mining is the analysis of substantial amounts of data to identify trends and predict future events. It helps you make predictions about future events by looking at what has already occurred. Customer retention. Data mining helps businesses learn more and better understand their customers. This information can help companies develop targeted marketing campaigns, offer promotions and make smarter decisions. Marketing automation tools are designed to collect data about consumers and use it to improve the customer experience. Revenue. Data mining helps businesses analyze their customers' buying habits. This helps companies decide what products to offer and how much to charge for those products. Data mining lets you plan future sales activities and optimize your inventory. It predicts who's leaving, and why, for you. Data mining isn't just about predicting market trends. It can also help businesses improve employee retention. Big data can help companies identify those who are likely to leave before they do. The process starts with collecting data on everything from job performance to office politics. Data mining is used to find out what makes people tick. For example, Retailers use data mining to target specific demographics and interest ads. Insurance companies use data mining to help them decide which policies are best for their clients. Healthcare providers use data mining to diagnose illnesses and prescribe treatment. The goal of data mining is to uncover patterns in large sets of data that can be used to make accurate predictions or recommendations. Statistical analysis involves finding patterns in data. This method works well for analyzing small datasets because it doesn't require a lot of computing power. However, it has several drawbacks. It requires a large amount of data. It relies on assumptions that may not hold. The following sections describe the different types of statistical analysis and how they can be used to analyze your data. Descriptive statistics. A descriptive statistic is a numerical value calculated from a dataset. Descriptive statistics are useful when you want to summarize or compare information about a group of people or objects. Summary statistics. A summary statistic is a measure of central tendency, the middle point of a set of numbers. The mean is one type of summary statistic. It's often used as an indicator of central tendency because it represents the center of mass of a distribution. Correlation coefficient. A correlation coefficient measures the strength of a relationship between two variables. Correlations are important because they indicate whether there is a connection between two things. When you have multiple observations of a variable, correlations are also helpful in determining whether those observations are independent, i.e., unrelated. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the data is labeled by experts. A good example of this is credit scoring. An expert would label the data as good or bad. Unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the data is unlabeled. One example of unsupervised learning is clustering. Clustering is a way to organize data so that similar items appear together. Clustering is useful for finding patterns within data. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the data is not labeled. Instead, the computer learns through experience. Reinforcement learning is useful for tasks such as playing games. Machine learning uses algorithms to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's often used to build computer systems that perform tasks such as speech recognition, image processing, and text categorization. The word learning means that the machine acquires new information and adapts its behavior accordingly. Types of machine learning algorithms. There are several types of machine learning algorithms. Neural networks. Natural language processing. Speech recognition. Artificial intelligence is an umbrella term that includes any system designed to mimic human thought processes. AI is commonly used to create chatbots, self-driving cars, and other intelligent machines. The field of artificial intelligence was first proposed by John McCarthy in 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon at the Dartmouth Conference in 1955. In 1957, they published their seminal paper on the topic, A Framework for Representing Knowledge. This work laid out a formal definition of what constitutes knowledge and how it can be represented. The future of data mining. We take it for granted, but it's one of the most important technologies of today. Many people believe that data mining will become increasingly important over the next few years. Data mining has come a long way in recent years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Big data, big problems. The volume of data being generated today is tremendous. Many believe that this amount of data is so large that it will overwhelm the human brain. This may be true one day, but for now, we're still making progress. Many are convinced that the human brain is still leading us in terms of the amount of data that we can compute and analyze. One of the biggest problems that we're facing is the fact that people are only now starting to realize the true potential of data mining. There have been many great applications of data mining, but none have been as effective as the ones already in place today. Bottom line is that data mining is vital for the future. It's vital for our economy and the protection of both privacy and security. Data mining can provide small businesses with several benefits, from improved customer relations to increased sales. However, it is important to note that data mining should not be used as a replacement for good business practices. In other words, data mining should be used in addition to, not instead, traditional methods of marketing and customer service. When used correctly, data mining can be a powerful tool that can help small businesses to thrive.